Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Want to make your Canva videos interactive? I'll show you the easiest way to add links. Learn how to create a clickable link in your document with these easy steps. To easily create videos in Canva, first click on the Create button, then select Videos from the options. This is the method we'll use. Select the Mobile Video option, then look to the left side of the screen and choose a template that fits your project. This will help you get started quickly with your video editing process. We'll use this as a sample. To add a link to your video, first select Text from the Elements menu. Then click Add a text box. This will insert a text field onto your project. You can then type your desired link or message directly into the text box for viewers to access. Drag the element into this section. Type your link in the designated field. Next, customize the appearance by changing the color to your preference. This allows you to personalize the link and make it stand out as needed in your layout. Resize the object until you can clearly see it on your screen. Once it's the right size, press Ctrl+K on your keyboard, or Command+K if you're using a Mac. This shortcut will open the link insertion dialog. Now, the next step is to select the destination or location where you want to link or connect your object. To create a hyperlink, click this option. You can also select the embedded option if you want to embed the link directly. Choose the option that best fits your needs before continuing to the next step in the process. To create another sample, type any text you want into the input box. Next, press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. This will open a prompt where you can enter a website address. After entering the URL, your selected text will become a clickable link. Type youtube.com in your browser's address bar and press Enter. Once the page loads, we will convert the standard YouTube link into an embedded format so you can easily display the video on your website or presentation. You can now add clickable links to your Canva videos with ease. Hit like and subscribe for more handy design tips.